Hello guys, I am back with another video and we're going to be unboxing Ateez's EP3 One to All album. It is my first Ateez album and I have never gotten one before yet. So this is my first one. And I got it from my friend, one of my moods on Twitter. It was so cheap and so affordable. Thank you. And shout out to you. Thank you. You know who you are. Out there.
I want to open it too.
Hey.
I want to open it.
It's sealed really, really tight. Hey, baby.
Where are you going, Livia? Where are you going?
Go with this. She went out the door. Oh my goodness. It's so beautiful. Oh my god. It is so pretty. Oh my god. I'm so sad. I'm so happy and sad. It's like, I'm so happy that I got my first Ateez album. And my favorite era too. Oh my god. I don't know what to do with myself at all. Thank you for purchasing. Enjoy. Thank you for giving it to me. Oh my god. And I got the one because she showed me which ones had like which PCs and which albums she had. And I have to change out my phone picture. Focus. Focus on me. He's so gorgeous. I'm gonna cry. Oh my god. All of them together. Focus. It won't focus. Anywho. You're so beautiful. I'm gonna cry. There's the CD. Okay, there's more stuff. Oh my god. These albums come with so much stuff, bro. I am done. Oh my god, Hongjun. Hongjun is my daughter's bias, and she loves her redhead boys. She loves any boys with colorful hair. Oh my god. Oh my god. Now, if Ateez comes to Florida, that is a whole other ball game, my dude. I am definitely spending all my money on Ateez. I'm not even showing you. I bet you guys already know what these look like, but look how gorgeous. Oh my god. And Seonghwa's my older sister's bias. Mine's Wooyoung. My bias marker is San. Woo-san. Ultimate ship. Oh my god. Oh my god, Yoonho. That hair. Oh my god. I'm gonna cry. How many times am I gonna say that? I'm not actually gonna cry, but Yo-san. Yo-san. Visual boy of the group. Yes, yes, yes. Oh my god. Oh my god, he's so gorgeous. Imagine them in Florida, like dance on Miami Beach to wave. And Mingy's birthday was yesterday. Happy birthday to you. Big song. Happy birthday, dear Mingy. Happy birthday to you. Oh yeah. My boy. Oh my god. Oh my god. These pictures are outstanding. Oh my god. I really wanted the first album, but they didn't have it. They had the second album at my mall. They're finally getting K-pop in my album, in my mall. FYE. Shout out to FYE. They finally bring it in K-pop after years and years. Oh my god. Jungho! The fruit smashing knock name, my dude. Like, you can't beat his strength at all. Like, I wonder what he did to get this strong. Because he's so little. I'm 1 year older than him and he's like beating watermelon and stuff. All of them together. That is the album, my dudes. Oh my god, there's more pictures. Oh my god. Oh, that was a look, baby. That was a look. With this white shirt on Wooyoung. I'm the They're together. Come back, come back. Oh my god. I'm such a nerd. I'm changing my CD because I have the BTS Persona album in there right now, and I've been listening to it for months. I can finally change it out to Ateez. Oh my god. We are fed. Ateez has been fed. Okay? Like, they each come with one. Are you serious? Oh my god. I am so done. Oh my god. Yup. Oh no, someone doesn't have a back on it. Okay. Oh, it's each of the song and crescent. Okay. Sign. So cute. Oh my god, Mingy in that blue shirt. I've seen a lot of K-pop idols in that blue shirt, like Jungkook in the Light album, like has that blue shirt. And then, hello dude, what's good? You're interrupting my video. I love that. Love that unedited tea.
Yeah, like you got movies coming in, you know.
Didn't shut my door. Thank you very much. Oh my jeez, but Jesus. Oh my god. Oh my god. My man. That was my brother. Don't mind him. Hey, Jungho. It comes with a little sticker. It comes with an Ateez poster. I'm gonna cry. It's two-sided. Is it two-sided? You can use this one, but that's the back. I have two spots. Oh my god. I'm not using these stickers. Ateez has been, we've been spoiled. He has been spoiled. Rotten. I have a new poster I can put up on my poster in my room. Oh my god. I've been shocked. I've been shooketh. I've been wrecked by Ateez. Like, I have 6 ultimate groups. But Ateez is just like climbing its way up there. And officially, Ateez is that group, and I cannot wait for their comeback. But I hope they have rest first, and they take care of themselves first before anything. And yeah, that's all that matters. I can't wait. I have a feeling their comeback is gonna be in October for their 1-year anniversary. I can't wait because I feel like every 4 months they've had a comeback. So if you do the math, I feel like they're gonna come back in October. And if they do another world tour, I hope it's through my music taste, and I hope Florida bumps up the votes in Miami, because there's more votes in Miami than there is in Orlando. So I hope we get Ateez next year. Florida, I'm counting on you. And that is it, my unboxing from my amazing friend. I can't wait to hang on my poster. I can't wait to put in my CD in my car. I can't wait to change my photo card in my phone. And the stickers, I'm not using the stickers. Just like knock me out with this album, this holy grail of an album. I can't wait. Thank you, and that is my video for my Ateez unboxing. Bye.